New construction home on 3.12 acres. Country living. Fabulous open floor plan, beautifully appointed kitchen west/quartz countertops, stained all-wood cabinets west/soft close drawers and doors. Stainless steel appliances, stove, dishwasher, microwave and a French door refrigerator. Family room west/fireplace, dining room, mudroom area off the garage, powder room and laundry on the first floor of the home. The primary bedroom has a huge walk-in closet and an incredible ensuite, separate soaking tub, tiled shower, double bowl vanity, and private water closet. 3 additional bedrooms, full hall bath, west/double bowl vanity, all on the second floor. 2-car attached garage west/opener. Well and septic. Builder offering 2% close cost assistance west/use of the builder's preferred settlement agent.